If you want to link tasks in Todoist, this quick trick can save you a lot of time and keep your projects much more organized. Instead of copying long notes or searching through task lists again and again, you can create a clean clickable link from one task to another. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it on Todoist web or desktop in just a few simple steps. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Todoist tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist on your web browser or desktop app and find the task you want to link to. This is the task you want to reference later. Hover your mouse over that task, then click the three dots menu icon. A menu will open with several options, and from there select Copy Link to Task. Todoist will now copy a unique URL for that specific task to your clipboard. Next, create a new task or open the second task where you want to add the link. This is the task that will point back to the first one. In the name or description field, format the text like this: open bracket, task name, close bracket, then open parenthesis, paste the task URL, and close parenthesis. This creates a clean clickable anchor instead of showing a long messy link. For example, you can make it say something like review project notes linked to the original task. Once you save the task, Todoist will turn that text into a clickable link, making it easy to jump directly to the related task whenever you need it. This is especially useful for project planning, task dependencies, meeting follow-ups, and keeping connected work all in one place. If you're managing multiple tasks, this little feature can make your workflow much faster and more organized. And that's it. You now know how to link tasks in Todoist using the Copy Task Link option and simple Markdown-style formatting. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.